Today I wanted to go over the basics of how to contour your face. First off, I always recommend using a cream product. It's easier to work with, plus it works so well with mature skin. So I love a cream product. I'm going to be using the color Cedar today. My favorite brush for contouring is the Detail brush because it has this nice flat surface. And I just tap in like this, okay? Then what I like to do is feel where the top of my ear is and find that cheekbone and start tapping that in, almost right on that cheekbone, okay? Then I like to take it up here on my forehead, especially if you have a larger forehead. This kind of shrinks the forehead down, which who doesn't like to shrink their forehead? And then right here underneath to create a nice jawline. Now what I like to do is always, when you are working along your cheek here, make sure you're blending that upwards and not down. Up here on the forehead, I place it here and then I blend it down. And then here I place it and just bring the extra down my neck. That is it, okay? You can also contour your nose, doing two nice lines right next to the nose and a little contour under the lip. Let me know if you have any questions about contour or what color you'll need. Just comment makeup below.